Welcome to Bosque Village, a cultural laboratory deep within a forest. Hi, I'm Brian Fey. I don't like the way the world is, so I'm making a new one. To create this unusual place, I've worked and studied my entire life. In the year 2000, I quit my job in the industrial world. And in 2004, I moved into the middle of the woods to build Bosque Village. I spent difficult years living as a hermit to break away from civilization.
Hey, sweetheart. Hey, baby dog. Yeah.
Then I began hosting thousands of people from around the world, creating a cultural laboratory. We select the most dynamic applicants who entertain and educate as we document our unusual experiences here. Now you can be part of the adventure. Watch our videos and then join the conversation online. Be the change you want to see in the world. So how do we design and live in an alternative culture? We think about alternative energy and conservation of resources, agriculture, permaculture, and all the details of how we eat and why, architecture and natural building, art and performance, community projects in rural Mexico, and most importantly, how we can live together with improved interpersonal communication and better social contracts. This social experiment is neither simple nor easy, but we must solve these puzzles. Let's create a better future together.